Let's make prawns and the leaf rice. Wash and soak basmati rice for 15 minutes. Grind green chilies, ginger and garlic. Heat oil in a pressure cooker. Add sliced onion till brown. Then add 3G paste, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, salt, then frozen peas and fresh prawns. Everything you need to saute well, and then add rice, one handful of the leaves, then add 4 cups of water, sliced lemon. Put the lid on, reduce the flame for 7 minutes. When steam starts coming, put the weight, turn off the flame and leave it for 15 minutes before opening the cooker. This recipe is inspired by Cooking with Zainab's reel and it's so amazing.